Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best locker style is probably one of the most exciting ways for students to express their personality and creativity within the school environment, transforming a mundane metal box into a vibrant personal space that reflects their interests, hobbies, and unique sense of fashion, making every day a little more fun and a lot more fun. Number 5. Super cute glass magnets Multipack. Don't let their small size fool you. These decorative magnets are incredibly strong and will hold your item securely in place without slipping. Crafted from high-quality glass, these magnets offer a vibrant, fade-resistant appearance. They come in a variety of colors and patterns to perfectly match your style. Express yourself with our wide selection of designs. Choose from 25 different multipacks featuring everything from butterflies and cats to cities and flags. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These magnets come with a bonus sticker pack, making them an ideal housewarming present or a delightful surprise for any crafter. These versatile magnets are perfect for your refrigerator, office space, or locker. Easily add a touch of personality to any environment you choose. What we like? These are incredibly strong despite their small size, ensuring your photos and notes stay put. If you love a variety of cute designs and need reliable magnets for everyday use, these are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for adding a personal touch to any magnetic surface without worry. What people say? Excellent quality magnets. I was surprised at the heftiness of these magnets. Attractive and practical. They're durable and strong magnetic hold. The pictures are nice and clear. The size is perfect for our mini fridge. They're fun and flirty and even came with a pack of stickers with the same pics. These are super cute and everyone in my office stops to look at them. Number 4. Brand's Locker Organizer and Decorating Kit. Transform your locker into a functional and fashionable space. This kit has everything you need to say goodbye to clutter and hello to style. It includes a sturdy shelf, a magnetic mirror, a magnetic cup for pens, and a dry erase board with a marker. You'll also get 6 magnets to personalize your space. Take your locker's style and functionality to the next level. This is the perfect companion for all your back-to-school needs. Mix and match with other kits to create a cohesive and stylish setup. Express your unique style and stay organized in a way that reflects your personality. We are a company of designers and innovators passionate about providing well-designed products. We aim to help you feel inspired. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution to transform a cluttered locker into a stylish and organized space. If you're looking for a chic, all-in-one solution with a sophisticated gold and marble aesthetic, this is the perfect back-to-school upgrade. It's ideal for students who want both style and practicality. What people say? The locker decorations are very easy to install and remove, making it simple to change up the look of the locker whenever desired. The set includes a variety of colorful and fun accessories, such as magnetic mirrors, whiteboards, and shelves, that add personality and functionality to the locker. The materials used are durable and high quality, ensuring that the decorations will last throughout the school year and beyond. Number 3. Brand's 4145U0106 Locker Organizer and Decorating Kit. Transform your locker into a functional and fashionable space with this 11-piece kit. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a stylish, organized locker. This kit includes a sturdy shelf, a magnetic mirror, a magnetic cup for pens, and a dry erase board with a marker. It has everything you need for organization and note-taking. Elevate your locker's style and functionality for the new school year. This organizer kit is the perfect back-to-school essential. Express your unique style by mixing and matching with other kits. Create a cohesive and stylish locker setup that reflects your personality. We are passionate about providing well-designed products that inspire. Our team of designers and innovators creates items to help you feel your best. What we like? This kit provides everything needed to create a functional and fashionable locker oasis in a lovely blush pink. If you prefer a softer, trendy color palette and want a complete set of organizational tools, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want to express their personality with a cute and coordinated look. What people say? Easy to assemble and very durable. The pen holder is very durable. Besides magnet adhesive, I have it full of pens and markers. The magnet is strong and it does not slide. Came with magnetic mirror, magnetic pen holder, magnetic whiteboard and dry erase pen. Number 2. Brink House Gypsy Color 4 Light Crystal Chandelier. Introducing the Brink House Gypsy Color 4 Light Crystal Chandelier. This fixture brings a touch of elegance to any room with its dazzling clear acrylic crystals and white metal frame. Perfect for any space, this flush mount chandelier can be installed in your entryway, dining room, bedroom, or even your nursery. Its versatile design complements various decor styles. Crafted with the highest quality, thick, faceted acrylic crystals, it's both strong and lightweight. These are the same durable materials used in bulletproof windows and eye lenses. Designed in Austin, this chandelier features an innovative flat folding design for shipping. This reduces packaging, weight, damages, and waste, making it an eco-conscious choice. Assembly is a breeze. Simply unfold the arms, position the cups, and connect the strands. It's almost fully assembled, saving you time and effort. Rest assured with its UL certification, guaranteeing the highest safety and quality standards. This fixture meets the highest safety rating available in lighting. What we like. This is a stunning decorative light fixture that can instantly elevate the ambience of any room, including a locker area if space permits. If you're looking to add a touch of glamour and sparkle with a high-quality, safety-certified light, this chandelier is a beautiful option. It's ideal for creating a magical atmosphere in a girl's room or a stylish entryway. What people say. It was the look I needed for my shoot, it had a ton of details and came with everything I needed to hang it. The fixture was folded flat in a cardboard housing and held stable for shipment. This enabled the fixture to come out of the box and simply unfold with zero assembly required. The center stem is glass and adds sparkle to the fixture. The acrylic gems or crystals remind me of AZ gallery fixture we purchased. Number 1. Frienda 16 pieces cute inspirational locker magnets. Add a touch of fun and inspiration to any magnetic surface with this set of 16 cute and motivational magnets. They're perfect for bringing a smile to your day. Start your day with a boost of positivity. These magnets feature encouraging messages and affirmations to keep you motivated and smiling throughout your daily grind. These versatile decorations aren't just for lockers. Use them on refrigerators, whiteboards, metal cabinets, and more to add a pop of personality and helpful reminders. With 8 unique patterns, including inspirational quotes and vibrant natural designs, these magnets are sure to catch the eye and brighten up any space. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These delightful magnets are a great choice for friends, family, or classmates, especially during graduation or Mother's Day. Crafted to last, these waterproof magnets are designed to stay put and maintain their vibrant appearance, ensuring lasting enjoyment and motivation. What we like. These magnets offer a daily dose of positivity and motivation with their cute designs and uplifting messages. If you want to add a cheerful and encouraging vibe to your locker, whiteboard, or fridge, these are a great pick. They are perfect for anyone who appreciates a little extra inspiration and a splash of color in their daily life. What people say. The locker decorations are easy to install and remove, making it simple to change up the look of the locker whenever desired. The set includes a variety of colorful and fun designs that add personality to any locker. The materials used are durable and hold up well to daily use, ensuring the decorations last throughout the school year. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.